Good evening, teacher. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sri Sathi. I'm 8 years old. Today I'm going to read pronoun and be verb for you. ថ្ងៃសុក្រ200ខែកក្កដាឆ្នាំម្សាញ់សប្បុរសពុទ្ធសករាជ2569ត្រូវនៅថ្ងៃទី7ខែវិច្ឆិកាឆ្នាំ2025 Friday 7 November 2025 Pronoun and be verb. Lesson 1 be verb. Affirmative and negative. Affirmative. Positive ស្រប Negative បដិសេធ A look and learn. Be verb. Affirmative. Singular. Singular ប្រើសម្រាប់តែមួយ I am. You are your. She is she. He is he. It is it. He exists. Plural សម្រាប់ប្រើពីរឡើងទៅ We are we. You are your. They are they. Verb to be. Am ប្រើជាមួយ I. Is ប្រើជាមួយ he is it. Is ប្រើជាមួយ he she it. Are ប្រើជាមួយ we you they. Example 1 I am a student. 2 She is my teacher. 3 They are singer. Exercise 1 I am a boy. 2 You are a girl. 3 We are friends. 4 They are my parents. 5 He is my father. 6 She is my mom. 6 She is my mother. 7 It is my cat. Jean and you are here. 8 Jean and you are here. Goodbye teacher, goodbye everyone. Bye bye, thank you.